Week 4, in the courtroom, ethics, roles, and procedures. As mentioned, everyone has a role to play, and there's a formula to the proceedings which will be used in every situation. This week, you'll need to go to court. Most court proceedings are public, and it should be easy to see a court in action. There are municipal, district, and federal courts. Locate one that is close to you and find out when they are in session. Remember to keep a journal and write something related to your visit to the court. Include this in the discussion forum for class participation. Search the Bible for something related to a trial or court and write a brief description. Find a YouTube related to ethics in court proceedings. After watching it, write a review and an evaluation. This week's project is to attend a courtroom proceeding and note the various elements around you and post as indicated. You should be reading a book on legal interpreting or a chapter from Fundamentals of Court Interpreting. I would encourage you to begin writing your brief 3 to 5 page summary of the book or chapter and an evaluation. This assignment, as you know, will be due at the end of the course. Add questions to the question board. Remember, you get a bonus point for each question submitted, and if your question is chosen for the final exam, you'll get double bonus points. Finally, remember, by the end of the course, you will be expected to have developed a lexicon or glossary where you list the words and corresponding words in your chosen language. Adding to it weekly will help make its final presentation easier. As you will discover, courts, for the most part, are the same regardless of where you go, particularly in the United States. There are some exceptions, depending on the level, but these are exceptions and not the norm. Therefore, when you've seen one, you've seen them all, or at least you have a good idea of what all of them will look like. That is the reason it's important for you to be present in a real courtroom before you begin the process of interpreting. Having been there takes some of the mystery out and allows you a level of comfort which is necessary when you begin interpreting. Ethics is an undergirding dynamic which is invisible unless something untoward happens. Therefore, it is something you will read about, learn, and take to heart, but hopefully never see violated. There are some ethical norms you will need to learn, such as confidentiality, which are imperative. As the court drama unfolds, you will notice the roles different people play. There is a protocol for each of their actions and a process. Generally speaking, these will not vary, and you will become comfortable. And as you become comfortable, you will be able to anticipate what's going to happen next, who will speak, and even what they'll say. Once you master this, it will make your job immeasurably easier. Pay attention and learn so that you won't have to learn it new every time. Being ethical is imperative as an interpreter, and even more so as a missional interpreter. Those around you are counting on you, and if you are to continue that role, you want to value these ethical elements.